Hello everyone, this is Chadwick from Big Idea Design. There are some instructions under the lid. The pin itself is pretty straightforward. You simply twist to advance and retract the refill. If you want your refill tip to stick out a lot, you can simply twist it all the way down. If you'd like to customize this to be a little less, you can do so just by twisting just enough to make the refill tip come out to your desired length. The refill that comes inside is a Parker style ballpoint refill, and if you notice, the spring has two different diameters. There's a smaller diameter and a larger diameter to the spring. The smaller diameter goes towards the Parker style refill. If you prefer a longer rollerball style refill, you'll simply put the larger diameter spring towards the rollerball refill. If your spring ever happens to get stuck inside your pen tip, you can take a paper clip, bend one edge out, and just gently guide it back through the front of the pen tip to release the spring. I mentioned there were some spare O-rings. If you ever do need to replace one, this is where they're located. We personally haven't had to replace one in almost a year worth of use, but if you ever do, this is where they go. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Hi everybody, I'm Chadwick.
I'm Joe. Together we're Big Idea Design.
Since 2012, we've been making everyday carry gear for leaders, thinkers, problem solvers, makers, dreamers, rebels, the movers and shakers who thrive living outside the box. Folks who want innovative gear that can do more and carry less.
Today, we're excited to introduce a new click pen that's unlike anything else ever made, that we call the TI Click EDC. It's the world's most refill-friendly click pen that will seamlessly resize to fit both ballpoint and rollerball style refills, completely opening up a whole new world of possible refill options.
It works with over 100 different popular refills, all without any hacks, spacers, modifications, or guesswork. So, how does it work? Simply unscrew the grip, activate the mechanism, toss a refill inside, replace the grip, and you now have a custom titanium pen that looks great and writes exactly how you want. Plus, there are no plastic parts, so you'll have full confidence it will last a lifetime.
Our custom machined, nearly silent click mechanism was designed from the ground up using solid titanium and brass for smooth, reliable action. To help reduce excessive tip wiggle or movement, The front of the pen tip has an auto-adjusting collet, also made from solid titanium. The grip design is minimal, tactile, and has a very comfortable diameter for writing and drawing, so it has a natural and familiar feel.
One thing we've learned from experience is that regardless of how careful you are, at some point down the road, you will accidentally snag or bend your pocket clip. So we designed a custom tool that allows you to quickly remove and reshape the pocket clip to be as good as new.
We're excited to be offering the TI Click EDC in 3 color options: an uncoated machine roll, a double-coated DLC black, and a ceramic media tumbled stone-washed finish.
We can't wait to see what you create with this truly unique click pen. Thank you.
Thank you.